Hey friends, if Python is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run it as an administrator. Search for Python in the Windows search bar, right click on it and select run as administrator and then click on yes. Now this can open Python, but here's the thing, you might not be running the latest version. I'll tell you why. Because the latest version is usually downloaded from its website, which is at python.org/downloads, not the Microsoft Store. So you can consider downloading it, though it is a little unstable. Click on open and it will launch the latest version and you can install it. The next solution is to reset and repair the app. Search for Python in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down to this option here, terminate, and terminate the process just in case it was open. Click on repair, then click on reset and then click on reset once again. After this, the last solution will be to reinstall the app. Now close it obviously. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Click on the three dots associated with Python. Select uninstall and then on uninstall once again. And it will uninstall Python and then you can reinstall it from the website as I told you. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.